Hello, today we are going to see CR200 devices configuration part. Now I'll show the device to you first. This is the CR200B device and these are the harness provided with the CR200B. These three harnesses will be required for its configuration. This harness is 0088. It is 00088 harness. This harness is required to give power to the device. Along with that harness, we will require two more harnesses, one 00251 and other one 00282 harness. Now we will first see how to open this device. For this, you will require a screwdriver. There is a notch provided here. Then just open this device like this. This is the battery. You can insert the SIM card here. I will keep this device open and I will show you how to connect all these three wires for the configuration. 088 wire has 20 pin connector which will be connected to the 20 pin connector of the 0282 wire like this. There is a notch provided here. Then the 10 pin connector will be connected to the device here. Again, see, there is a notch provided here. You have to connect this way. The third connector of the 282 cable will go to 251 cable like this. Again, there is a notch here and connect 251 with 282 like this. So this way we will connect the device and the power cable to the 251 cable. 251 cable has a USB port which you can connect to your PC. Now we will give power to device. Again, in this 088 wire, there you will see three wires, one red, violet and black. Red and black are the power cables and violet is ignition wire. You can connect red and violet simultaneously to positive. And ground. Now we will open Cellocator Programmer. Here you need to see the COM port first. Go to Manager, Device Manager, see the COM port and use the same COM port here. So select here, select the COM port 33. Select baud rate. In this case it is 115200. Select the unit type. It should be Cello 4K and press OK. Then press this button. This is for closing the port. Once you press this, here LED will go green, that means port is closed and you can do programming. Then press this blue button which is for querying the device. After querying, device will give its information. It will give you the device ID, then its hardware type, software version. Then you will need a PL file, that is configuration file, which will match this hardware version and software version. You will be provided with such a PL file. Then you can do the configuration changes if as and when you want.